Ladies and gentlemen, gather around, because I'm about to take you on a mind-bending journey through the fascinating world of computers. A journey that begins with humble roots and catapults us into the era of artificial intelligence and quantum computing. So, sit back, relax, and let's travel back in time to explore the incredible origins of the computer. Our story begins not with wires, silicon, or algorithms, but with something far more primitive: the abacus. Picture this: ancient civilizations, thousands of years ago, needed a way to perform complex calculations without the convenience of modern technology. Enter the abacus, a simple yet ingenious device consisting of beads on rods. By sliding these beads back and forth, people could add, subtract, multiply, and divide with astonishing accuracy. Fast forward to the 19th century, where we meet a visionary mathematician and inventor named Charles Babbage. Babbage is the guy who laid the groundwork for the computer as we know it today. He conceived the analytical engine, a mechanical marvel that could perform complex mathematical operations. This contraption used punch cards for input, making it the first ever programmable machine, albeit never built during his lifetime due to the technological limitations of the era. Now, let's jump ahead to the 20th century, a time when dreams of computing started turning into reality. In the 1930s, Alan Turing, a British mathematician, devised the concept of the Turing machine, a theoretical device that could solve any computational problem through a sequence of simple operations. Turing's work laid the theoretical foundation for modern computers and gave birth to the idea of programming. But it was during World War II that the world witnessed a giant leap in computing. Enter the Colossus, a colossal machine, hence the name, designed by British engineers to crack encrypted German messages. It was a primitive form of a digital computer, employing vacuum tubes and punch cards, and it played a pivotal role in the Allied victory. In the post-war era, the computer revolution truly kicked off. In 1945, John Presper Eckert and John Mauchly unveiled the Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer, ENIAC, a behemoth of a machine that covered an entire room. ENIAC could perform complex calculations at unprecedented speeds, a marvel that ushered in the age of electronic computing. As the years rolled on, transistors replaced vacuum tubes, making computers smaller, more reliable, and faster. The birth of the microchip in the 1960s was a game changer, reducing the size of computers from room-filling monsters to desktop marvels. The 1970s saw the advent of the personal computer, with the likes of Apple and Microsoft leading the charge, putting computing power directly into the hands of everyday people. And then, in the 21st century, we arrived at the age of smartphones and the internet. The world was now at our fingertips, and we could carry a computer in our pockets. The convergence of technology and connectivity gave rise to social media, e-commerce, and countless other digital wonders. But hold on to your seats, folks, because the story doesn't end here. We're hurtling towards the future faster than ever before. We're talking about artificial intelligence, machine learning, and quantum computing. Today, computers don't just calculate. They recognize faces, translate languages, and even play chess at grandmaster levels. Quantum computers, still in their infancy, promise to revolutionize the world with their unimaginable processing power, tackling problems that were once deemed unsolvable. In conclusion, the invention and evolution of computers are a testament to human ingenuity and our unquenchable thirst for knowledge. From the humble abacus to quantum computers that defy the laws of classical physics, the journey has been nothing short of extraordinary. So, my friends, as we stand on the precipice of the future, let's remember that the story of computers is far from over. Who knows what mind-boggling innovations lie ahead in the ever-advancing world of technology? The adventure continues, and it's bound to be nothing short of breathtaking.